Welcome to GuideMia. My name is Kathy. I am thrilled to introduce you GuideMia AlignerBot, the world's first SaaS system for orthodontic treatment planning and aligner design. In this Get Started guide, you will learn how to prepare a case, submit for automatic design, review the design and then download the results. In order to use this service you need to download and install GuideMia Ortho software on your Windows computer. After installation, you can see GuideMia Ortho Cloud and GuideMia Ortho Click icons on your screen. We use Ortho Cloud. Please contact us to get the software and a license code, or visit to place orders. When you start the software, it asks for username and password. Please register a user account on GuideMia website first. And log in here. To start a case, we just need to load the upper jaw scan first. The system supports STL, OBJ and PLY files from intraoral scanners or desktop scanners. To get better performance, colored intraoral scans are preferred. The whole workflow is driven by the so-called lucky button. Specify 4 points on the upper jaw. Make sure you rotate the view to the similar orientation, and pick 2 points on the posterior area and 2 on the front teeth, with exactly the same order as demoed. Then load lower jaw scan. Most of the time the system can automatically pick up the file in the same folder. You would need to make sure the scans have no major problem. The models should be trimmed to the right side, margin areas should not have heavy artifacts, crown areas should be relatively clean without huge bumps or plaster chips, bubbles, etc. Normal scan quality issues will be automatically taken care of. If you need to, you can use some functions under the tool menu to trim the scans. Now we move on and adjust the arch curves. The adjustments include moving the end points of the arch to the posterior end of the arch, moving the intermediate nodes to follow the arch. AlignerBot now does not support extremely complex cases or cases with missing teeth. The arch curves here are not for alignment purposes but to indicate the rough shape of the arch. Then the system will automatically identify the crown boundaries. With intraoral scans, the boundaries can be relatively accurate. At this step we will just adjust the nodes if necessary so to follow the anatomy. There is no need to make exact match, especially on the areas between 2 teeth. In this dialog, you can do a conceptual plan. The parameters include anterior protrusions, expansions, extrusions, spay curve, etc. You can also let the system decide what are the best parameters. Now we will save and send the case to AlignerBot. Click this Cloud Save button, fill in case information in the dialog. You can also choose whether the case will need attachments, and how many steps of design you need to export. Click on Save as New Case button. This will send out the case for design. In a few minutes, you would receive an email notification that the case has been designed. Start or go back the software, go to Cloud Open dialog, find the case, select it and open from the cloud. You can now review and adjust the case. There are many tools for you to adjustment cases. What we typically will do include playback and review movements, adjust tooth positions, adjust IPRs, if necessary, add attachments or adjust attachments. After all the case review, you feel the design can be finalized, simply click Cloud Save dialog. This time just click the button to sync the case with cloud. Remember that you can change how many aligners you want to have for design and exports. The system will also ask you if you would like to generate a report in this step. Then you can close the case. Once the design is finished, you will get another email from the server. Then go back to GuideMia, click Cloud Open button, you can see the case status has been changed to generated. From here, click the button to get all your design files. You do not need to open the project file as you did in the last step because it is designed according to that. The design files will be downloaded as a zip file. Simply open and extract the files, then you can review STL files of all the aligner steps. In case you want to have more outputs, you can always reopen the case, and go to the Cloud Save dialog to change the step numbers and click the button to request sync or more design. This concludes our tutorial for GuideMia AlignerBot.